Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Mivi Collar Flash wireless earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device right in the middle. Above that, we have the Mivi branding. Underneath that, we have the exact model name, and right on the bottom, we have three of the salient features, which include deep and powerful bass, fast charging, and made in India. On the left hand side, we have a description that says engineered and made in India. And on the right hand side, we have a slogan that says push the limits. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the box, we have a few of the salient features right here. So let's go through them one by one. It has an HD stereo sound. It is splash and dust proof, light and comfortable in your fit. Full charge in 35 to 40 minutes depending on the charger, of course. It also has a super solid base with powerful drivers, a magnetic locking system for convenience, MEMS mic for crystal clear calls, and once again they mention that it is proudly made in India. Over here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Underneath the barcode, we have some of the manufacturing information, and lastly on the bottom left we have the customer care details. On the right hand side we have a close-up image of the earbuds. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using the device and understanding the various functions and features. We also have a warranty card which has a WhatsApp number and a QR code that will help you register for the warranty. But once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, in terms of the reading material, we have a welcome note from the brand. Here we have the charging cable. It's approximately 5.5 inches long, and along with the two interfaces on each side, it's approximately 8.5 inches long. On one side, we have a USB Type-A interface, and on the other side, we have a micro USB interface. We also have two additional ear tips in a size larger and a size smaller than the ear tips that are already on the earbuds. While on the subject of the earbuds, one thing to note is that they are magnetic and they stick together, obviously. The whole device has a very attractive olive green color scheme going for it. Over here we have a slightly darker shade of olive green around the earbuds, and the rest of it is a slightly lighter shade of olive green. Coming to the neckband, one of the sides has the control module with the multifunction button on the left hand side. That would be the bottom of the neckband, and the two buttons on the right hand side are for the volume control with a plus and minus sign on them. Right in the middle of the minus and multifunction button, we have a LED light that shows you the status of the device in case it is in pairing mode or otherwise. And we have a hole right here on the left hand side of the multifunction button for the microphone. On this side we have a little hatch that has the micro USB input for charging. The other side of the neckband simply has some Mivi branding. So let's get started with using this device. Press and hold the multifunction button to turn the device on, and hopefully you can see that the LED light right in the middle is flashing red and blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Next, we will look for the device in the available devices section of our Bluetooth menu. Its Bluetooth name is Mivi Collar Flash. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Once paired, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Mivi Collar Flash wireless earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.